Nothing better to cure a hangover than a chilled beer. Trust me. Cheers. Really, I'm such a.
You are such a. I'm such a.
And we've reached Montego Bay, where it all started 2 years back. Good morning and welcome back to day 3 in Goa. It's 1 o'clock right now. हम काफ़ी late उठे. कल हम लोग बहुत late आए. We reached at around 7:38, so slept really late. Woke up जल्दी उठ गए थे ज़्यादा. Yes. Good morning. How are you doing? मामू किसी का दे. पारी का दे. Thank you. So we're up and about, and we're going to Tanjore Kitchen. Hi Pallavi. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Welcome to day 3 in Goa. Yes. Neil का favorite bird है मामू. So very interesting concept. They give you like a taster menu of curries. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They've given us 20 curries to taste, like this. So you taste whichever curry you like, and then you can tell them that you want your chicken, vegetarian, whatever in these curries.
For now.
Good concept, na? To
Very
give you a start
interesting.
tasting of all the curries.
So you can order whatever. They can put chicken also. They said.
हाँ, but मैं इतना खा नहीं पाऊंगी ना.
So ये मेरे को concept बहुत अच्छा लगा, because you have to wait for the dish to come and then see if you like the curry or not. But this is a pre-tasted curry. Really good concept. Ordered some starters. We had some prawns and some chicken. Prawn was really good. Chicken was also good.
I'm so proud of you for trying the prawn.
Abhinav, I have to say something.
Yes,
That if
please.
you want to become a vlogger and a big blogger, you have to try everything, because otherwise, how will
I
you
did.
tell your subscribers?
I had
no,
the
because
prawn.
Pallavi convinced me. Yes.
Yeah, and you didn't have the second bite.
Yeah.
Are you taking somebody's pictures or your own? Or mine?
I'm vlogging na bua. Vlogging me you have to
Let
take.
me wear my glasses. How can you take my picture without glasses?
This is not a picture. This is a
You
video.
know, Abhinav, I have tried this place in Mumbai twice. For you, it is very new. You think it's a new thing. I am very used to this. We are done with this.
But great food. मतलब so far so good. बहुत अच्छा है. Prawns and chicken तो बहुत अच्छे हैं. So to cure the hangover, I just ordered a chilled beer. Nothing better to cure a hangover than a chilled beer. Trust me. Cheers. Really, I'm such a.
You are such a. I'm such a.
So all happy faces after a very fulfilling meal. It was very good. I'll highly recommend Tanjore Kitchen. Whoever's coming to Goa, do check them out. इससे पहले gunpowder था for this kind of food, like chicken curry, appam and Malabar paratha and all. But I think they've surpassed gunpowder, and how the food was too good. How was the food, guys, for you?
Amazing.
So you'll recommend this over gunpowder, na?
And no, I'll recommend Hosa also.
Osa तो हम गए नहीं अभी.
I've been. It is better than that.
Okay. Now we're headed back to our Airbnb, and I think आज हम घर पे ही रहेंगे. We'll do some pool chilling, listen to some music, and take it easy today. So look at Neil. He's so eagerly waiting for me to come and take him to the pool. Are you ready for pool day, Neil? You're fully ready. हाँ? Ready? क्या ये फुलाना है? पकड़ लो आप पहले इसको. रुक जाओ, मामू करेगा. कैसे? चले? नील चले? किसको? चलो. Okay, and we're done with our pool day. बहुत मजा आया. Water was so cold. बट मैं तो ऐसे टिप टॉप करके अंदर गया, बट कहीं बाकी लोग हैं तो एकदम से दे splash. I always wonder how they do it. It's around 5:30 right now. Our plan is to go to the beach to enjoy just a relaxing sundowner. So we're headed to Tomatoes. It's right next to Montego Bay. And should take us around 25-30 minutes to reach. गोवा का weather ना अभी काफ़ी chilly हो रखा है. Like generally in around this time, even December, January में, the weather is pretty hot, humid होता है. But बिल्कुल humidity नहीं है. And दोपहर को it's quite sunny, quite bright. बट हमारा जहाँ पे Airbnb है, इट्स राइट इन द मिडल ऑफ दिस सोसाइटी, जिसके कारण यहाँ पे सनलाइट बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही है. लंबे लंबे पेड़ हैं यहाँ पे आसपास. सो हमारी प्रॉपर्टी और ठंडी है थोड़ी.
फ्लावर देखिए ना, हमारे फोटोज में अच्छे लगेंगे हमारे हाथ में.
Want to buy sunflower.
ये फेक असली है?
असली है, बहुत सुंदर है.
भैया ये सनफ्लावर दे दीजिए 3. चलो 200 वाले 3 दे दो.
अच्छा आप 200 के 2 दे दो प्लीज. 200 के 2 ठीक है. 200 को 2 नहीं आएगा.
आप 3 दे दो. चलो ठीक है 3 दे दो. और उसके थोड़ा सा नीचे से काट दो, उतना लंबा नहीं.
पल्लवी, what happened to your bargaining skills? You remember your Sarojini Nagar bargaining skills? कुछ तो negotiate कर.
हाँ,
हमारा हाथ में पड़ के फोटो चाहिए.
हाथ में पकड़ सके.
Palavi, show your sunflowers. Wow, very pretty. Happy?
Yes.
हमारी फोटो खींच.
And we've reached Montego Bay, where it all started 2 years back. And we're headed to Tomatoes. यहाँ पे भी the first pre-wedding party that we had was at Tomatoes. इतना नॉस्टैल्जिक फील हो रहा है. Tomatoes is one of my favorite beach tracks in Goa. Palm Grove was definitely better because that's Ashram. Morjam is also really good, but this has a very nice, has a core memory for me. So this is definitely, it means more to me. Pallavi, how does it feel to be back at Montego Bay? I mean, to be back at Morjam?
It feels very different.
Do you?
There are so many people here. There were none when we were getting there.
I think they've expanded it
Like, see
quite
how
a
the
lot.
beach tables are
I don't know if you guys know what Morjam looked like a year or two ago, but there weren't these many beach shacks. I mean, beach beds. मतलब इससे कहीं ज़्यादा शांत और कहीं ज़्यादा क्वेंट टाइप था, बट इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ कभी मॉर्जियम में मैंने देखी नहीं. फिर आउटसाइड Montego Bay इतना वो लग रहा है. Like I'm feeling really nostalgic. So that's Montego Bay and that's Alfonso. So okay, so those of you who don't know, Pallavi and I got married in Goa 2 years back in Morjim at Montego Bay, and we are here in Goa after 2 years and visiting Montego Bay again. So it's a very nostalgic feeling for us. That's Montego Bay. That's where we got married. हमारा वो stage हमारा वो we exchanged our garlands right there. I don't know if Alvin will be here. Abhi it's peak season. Maybe he's here, maybe he's not.
और Alred.
Alred, yeah, Alred and Alvin owns the place. इन्होंने वो हटा दिया the brown mat. They've removed the brown mat. Oh my God, Pallavi. यहीं पे मंडप था. हमारा stage exactly इधर था. That's where Pallavi entered from behind. यहाँ पे पूरा setup था. यहाँ पे we had our cocktail, and यहाँ पे we had our after party. And वहाँ सारे rooms थे. All of these rooms we had taken for our guests. Such a surreal feeling.
पता लगा के कि तुम दोनों में कुछ है. You were so happy. मुझे भाग के मेरे पास आए. तेरे को पता है अभिनव की गर्लफ्रेंड है.
I just do see you later, no goodbyes, new flow. See a blue sky, it will be I just you wait.
भाभी, भाई भाभी.
तुम्हारे बाप से.
Let the rhythm take control. It's going down tonight, yeah. Dive right in, let's go. Come over and dip in your toes. Let the rhythm take control. It's going down tonight, yeah. It's going down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down, bitch. It's going down. Going down. Yeah, it's going down.
मज़ा आ गया यार. I'm feeling so happy right now. I don't know why. Let's go. The last view from this place. So signing off from Montego Bay. Thank you Montego Bay for giving us the best memories of a lifetime. Pallavi. So Bua, you came to Montego Bay कह रहा हूँ. You came to Morjim 2 years ago for our wedding. You're back here after 2 years. How do you feel?
You took me to the memory lane. It was so much fun during your wedding. And today it's magical here. You know, experiencing travel with your loved one is always magical. Look at the sunset.
Thank you.
अरे यार प्लीज.
ये इन्होंने 500 रुपए के सनफ्लावर्स को इतना यूटिलाइज किया है. मतलब इन्होंने 500 रुपए के सनफ्लावर्स को से कम 5000 फोटोज ले ली होंगी.
जाओ अपनी बाइक ले जाओ. ले जाओ दोनों यार.
नहीं, दे आर यूटिलाइजिंग द सनफ्लावर.
राहुल के साथ कुछ बना है.
ले आओ.
और अभी इंस्टाग्राम पे मत डालना.
Say something.
Why you want to record it?
No, I'm not recording.
You have to say something.
I'm not, yeah, आंखों में ही बात होगी.
Please don't put it on Instagram.
What are you trying to do?
Trying to feed these kids.
Good luck.
How crowded?
Good job, Pallavi. We kneel कहाँ जा रहे हो? कहाँ जा रहे हो? एक और आ गई बच्ची.
Third person also.
I just got back from Tomatoes. It's 10:30. काफ़ी थक गए. And I was so surprised. मतलब Morjim की पूरी शक्ल बदल चुकी है. There were so many shacks, so many beach beds. It's going in the direction of becoming another Baga or Kalamhoot. So now we're back. There's no plan. We're not going anywhere tonight. Last 2 nights we've been going out, and all of us are a little low on energy. So we need like a full night's sleep. कल भी हम सुबह वापस आए from the casino. So we're lacking on a bit of sleep. तो इधर बैठते हैं सबके साथ. Then we'll call it a night. If there's something interesting, I'll record it. If not, that's it for day 3. I hope you guys are enjoying watching this series. See you in the next video. क्या नहीं कर सकते? ओह इसके उसमें चॉकलेट नहीं निकली यार.
अभी पीना शुरू किया आपने.
चॉकलेट ही निकली.
किसने बोला?
नन्नू बोल दे उनको I'll see you in court.
आइसक्रीम है.
I will see them in court.
हाँ.
स्क्रम्शियस नहीं था ना.
It was pathetic. Not even scrumptious. Scrumptious is high. This is lowest.
And we ordered dinner from Bauri. जैसे हमने अभी खाया. Good food, very good food. Now we're finally done with the night.
Now we are having song to digest our food. सुबह मिलते हैं, फिर कुछ खाएंगे, फिर नया दिन होगा, नई मेमोरी होगी.
बोल दो see you in the next video. And please ये भी बोल दो सबको सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए. लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Please subscribe.
बोलो please like, share and subscribe.
Please like, share and subscribe Abhinav's video. He's the best.
See you in the next one.
Bye bye.